Hello, so my name is Kimberly and I'm going over Chapter 1, Introduction to Inclusive Teaching. I'll start off with the IDEA, which was Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, and where the IDEA law was passed by Congress in 1975 in the United States. All children, including those with disabilities, are entitled to a free and appropriate public education, also known as FAPE. Students with disabilities were to be educated to the greatest extent possible in the general education classroom. But before that, the passage of the IDA, students were often denied access to public education and sometimes even placed in the institutions. Parents were forced to pay for private schools. Who is served under the IDA? Supports services to students with disabilities. And some of the general characteristics are autism, which is a developmental disability, deaf blindness, moderate to severe impairments of both vision and hearing, causing such severe communication and educational deafness, individuals with who have hearing impairments so severe that processing linguistic information through hearing is severely limited. Where are most students with disabilities served? So taking this triangle chart from the book, this figure states that in level 1, it's the general education classroom. Level 2, general education classroom with consultative services. Level 3, general education classroom with instruction, co-teaching, or other services. Level 4, general education classroom with resource room services. Level 5, full-time special education classroom. Level 6, a special school. This is when it's like a bit more severe. Level 7, special facilities, non-public school, day, or residential. So these are some of the educational rights for individuals with disability acts. So one case was Watson versus Kitty of Cambridge, 1893, where the child was excluded from school because he was so weak in mind as to not derive any marked benefit from instruction, and he is troublesome to other children. Another case was Beatty versus Board of Education of City of Antigo in 1919. Student takes up an undue proportion of the teacher's time and attention and distracts attention from other pupils. There are more cases where students were excluded from learning due to their disabilities, but nowadays these laws are no longer applicable. Regardless of disability, any child is entitled to a free and appropriate public education. Since 1975, education has been free for all. And these are the 6 important principles in IDA. We have zero regret, protection and evaluation, free appropriate education, least restrictive environments, due process, and parent participation. Thank you so much.